So let me draw the tangent. We have a tangent like this, and then there is this chord which is actually hitting the tangent, and then this chord is connected with another chord, and we complete a triangle. So let me name this as A, B, and C, and the tangent as DE, right? Now this distance is given as 60 degrees. We are asked to find x degrees. So we want to know what is angle B, or they might ask us what is x equal to. So how are we going to get the solution? So for this we will use the alternate segment theorem. So by alternate segment theorem, or it is also called as the tangent chord theorem, the angle created by this chord AC is equal to the angle subtended by the same chord at the circumference. So I'm going to state it as we know angle at A will be equal to angle at B. So this means my x is going to be equal to 60 degrees. Okay, which also means that angle at B is equal to 60 degrees. So this is the solution for this question.